A few moments later.
Thank God for foam hats. And that's the advantage of the poor boys fishing hats. You lose it on the boat, it'll keep floating. You turn around and go get it.